Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode in my Unity Open World series. So here, as you can see, when my character move in the cover, you can see there is a line trace going on, and if the line trace does not detect a cover behind, the character don't move. So this is to prevent character going further away from the cover when in an edge like this. So that's what I am going to work on this episode. And this episode is sponsored by these two generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Okay, now this guy can enter the cover, and after entering cover we can move along the wall, but the problem is it will go away from the wall as well. So how to fix that? So right, let's see. So in the character moment, if I am in cover, this is how the moment is applied. Right, so here it doesn't take into account that whether the cover is still present in behind the character when it moves. So to consider that, let's do a raycast to detect if there is a cover. Right, raycast hit, then if p6 raycast first parameter should be what's origin. Origin is the character location. So we already do a raycast here in the character, and we get this as the position because we don't need the foot location, we need the middle of the character. So let me copy that part. Just copy that part like this. Okay, now if there is a hit, then only we can move. Let's see if this works. Alright. Now we don't move. Oh, but we can't also move. Oh, right. This is wrong because we go too far away from the character. Alright, so then let's try something like this. Oh, we have this right moment. Then we can do something like this. In here, the origin, we can add this amount here to the V, because by doing that, if we are trying to move right, then we can sample some location in the right side of us. If we are trying to move left, we can check if there is a ball to the left side of me behind the character. Okay, let's see. Right, now it doesn't move anymore at the edge. Cool. But still it's wrong. Here we go too much. To fix that, maybe we can multiply this by 0.2. Let's see if that solves the problem. Or maybe that could increase the problem. Yeah, that increases the problem. So when I move right, I think the character is not in the center of this. Here. Let's test this. I think the character mesh has some offset when I move left. Let's see. We can't test it and maximize. No. How was it able to move that far? Let's try 2 here instead of 0.2. Oh, this is wrong. Wait a minute. Why? Alright, the problem is for this right vector I get a value between -1 and +1, so it can change. To test it, let's print that value. No, not to print. We can do something like this here. Plus right pinned over Okay, so this will return t mesh, right, minus value if we don't need right here. Now this should work. Let's see. So we should have constant right check and left check if I do it like that. Okay. Oh wait, that's wrong. Well, it is working, but sometimes it not. Alright, so then what we can do is, so this is when the right value is minus and this is when right value is plus. Alright, then to mitigate that we can multiply this, the return value of this part. So this is a if, basically this is a single line if case, if condition. If right is larger than 0, it will return this value, otherwise it will return this value. So here I'll multiply this by 2. So then my character will, when it try to move to the right, it will check further like that. Now it doesn't move more than this. Okay, so right, 2 is too much, I guess. Let's try this. Okay, this is better. Better. Right. I think we can wrap up this episode at this point. And yeah, so thanks for watching. As always, this project file will be available through the Patreon page, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.